Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss 20 eco-friendly reuse projects that you can easily implement at home and help save our planet. These projects are not only cost-effective, but also reduce waste and conserve natural resources. 1. Reuse glass jars and bottles. Instead of buying new containers, repurpose glass jars and bottles. Store your dry goods, spices, and even paint in them. 2. Craft with cardboard. Use cardboard boxes and newspapers to create do-it-yourself crafts, planters, and storage solutions. 3. Start a composting. A compost pile is an excellent way to recycle kitchen waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. 4. Make a natural cleaner. Mix baking soda, vinegar, and essential oils to create an all-purpose natural cleaner for your home and car. 5. Upcycle old clothes. Give new life to your old clothes by transforming them into rags, fabric scrubbers, or even patchwork quilts. 6. DIY air freshener. Create a natural air freshener by mixing equal parts water, white vinegar, and essential oils in a spray bottle. Swirl in a few dry leaves or crushed flowers to have your home smelling fresh. 7. Use cloth napkins. Replace single-use plastic napkins with reusable cloth ones for mealtime and other outdoor activities. 8. Reuse coffee cups. Keep your reusable coffee cups for takeout and use a reusable coffee filter to avoid waste. 9. Create a natural dye. Distill various plants, fruits, and herbs to create natural dyes for your clothes, books, or crafts. 10. Make a natural insect repellent. Mix witch hazel, lemon, essential oil, and essential oils of your choice to create a natural insect repellent for your plants. 11. Use beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. Seal your food in beeswax wraps instead of plastic to reduce plastic waste. 12. Upcycle old t-shirts. Turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags or tote bags. 13. Create a natural pest repellent. Sprinkle dried lavender, mint, or chamomile flowers around your garden to deter pests. 14. Make a natural laundry detergent. Mix baking soda, borax, and Castile soap as a natural alternative to commercial laundry detergents. 15. Use reusable produce bags. Carry your own reusable produce bags to reduce plastic bag waste. These eco-friendly reuse projects will not only help you save money, but also contribute to preserving our planet for future generations. Try implementing these ideas today and make a positive impact on the environment.